Good morning, kids. Today we are going to learn a new topic called nervous system. And the topics we are going to learn today are what is a nervous system and what are the types of nervous system and explanation in detail. Now let's learn what is called as nervous system. So, what is nervous system? It is one of the most important system in our body. Many organic systems are very in our body are controlled by nervous system. All the activities we do like play, study, dancing, walking, all these are controlled by nervous system. The nervous system also controls our sense organs like the eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. In nervous system, there are mainly three parts. They are brain, spinal cord and nerves. Let's see in the image now. The brain is the upper part in the nervous system, spinal cord and nerves. You can see the nerves is also called as nerves. Let's learn the three types of nervous system in detail. The first part is brain. The brain is the important part in our nervous system. All the activities we do are controlled by brain. It has a memory which stores information and we can recall the information when it is needed for us. Just it is below the spinal cord. Just it is below the spinal cord and it is protected by thick of bones called skull. In brain there are totally three types. One is cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata, or medulla oblongata is also called as brainstem. Let's see in our photo here. This is called as cerebrum. This total part is called as cerebrum. This part is called as cerebellum and this the lower part is called as brainstem or medulla oblongata. Now let's learn about cerebrum. The first part of the brain is called as cerebrum. It is the largest part in our body. It controls our sense organs like eyes, ears, nose, hands, tongue and etc. You can see the part, this part is called as full part is called as cerebrum. If cerebrum is inactive, we can't able to hear, see, smell and we can't able to think properly. So it is called as cerebrum. Cerebrum is the most important part in our body. It helps us to remember all the things. These are the functions of the cerebrum. Now the next part is cerebellum. It is used to control our muscles. You will see in a photo now. It is the smallest part below the cerebrum and used to control the muscles and moving our hand. It also helps us to balance our body. If cerebellum is inactive, we can't able to balance and we simply fall on the ground. This total part, this part is called as cerebellum. Instead, this is below the cerebrum. The next part is on medulla oblongata, or it is also called as brainstem. This is over here. This is called a brainstem or medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata is also called as brainstem. It controls our heartbeat. And breathing, sneezing. It also joins the brain with the spinal cord. It joins the brain with the spinal cord. The next part of the nervous system is nerves. In our body, we have network of nerves which send messages to sense organs to brain and brain to other parts of the body. There are total three types of nerves here. First one is sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. Now let's learn the three types of nerves in detail. First one is sensory nerves. These nerves carry messages to sensory organs to brain. The sensory organs are, again I am repeating, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. And the second one is motor nerves. These nerves carry orders from brain to other parts of the body. Repeating once again, these nerves carry orders from brain to other parts of the body. The third part is mixed nerves. They carry messages to sensory organs to brain and send orders from brain to other parts of the body. Repeating once again, they carry messages to sensory organs to brain and send orders from brain to other parts of the body. I am giving an example for nerves here. Here is an hot water above me. I am touching the hot water and removing my hand. Why? Because I am feeling hot. That's why I am taking back my hand. So first I am putting my fingers in the hot water. Then the sensory nerves of the skin are sending messages to the brain that it's hot. With the help of sensory nerves, brain is ordering to take out my hand from the water. Those are called as a concept on nerves. The last topic is on spinal cord. It is a bunch of nerves in our nervous system. This is the spinal cord. You can see it. This is called the spinal cord here. This is called the spinal cord. You can see here. It is also a bunch of nerves that connects brain and to other parts of the body. It is protected by the bones called as vertebral column. Again I am repeating, it is protected by a bones called as vertebral column. So this is the called as a concept on spinal cord. So students, I hope you all enjoyed this video and I think you understood the total concept on nervous system. See you in the next class with more interesting lessons. Take care. Thank you.